Now that we've selected our client, we're going to do a vital scan. The vital scan is a good place to go, especially if it's a brand new patient, because it gives you a lot of good information to kind of decide how you may want to use some of the other programs that are on the AO scanner. So I select vital scan, and then I hit scan. And I sit back and I allow the scanner to do the work. Once the scan is complete, a vitals report will come up. The way that you read this report is you have a key across the top. 5 is homeostasis, that is balance. When we start to look at 6, 7, 8, 9, 9 is critically acute. When we go 3, 2, 1, this is chronically critical. So this has been going on for a long time. This is going on right now. Now things in like allergens, parasites, bacteria, viruses, genetics, things like that, what I'm looking for is this positive marker. Is it active and challenging the body now? So as you look through this report, keep in mind that it is a real-time snapshot of the body. So ideally, before somebody has come in, they have fasted for 6 hours prior. Now if they've had anything in their environment or their food or some sort of stress, it could pick that up in the report. If they've just come in and they have not fasted, 4 and 6 is acceptable. If they have fasted, anything outside of 5 is out of balance. I suggest you take time to go through the report and schedule a time to go back with the patient to go over the results later. It is a lot of information to go through at one time. Now, based on the information that you found in the vitals report, the way that I would look at this is smoke is kind of a chronically critical issue. It's kind of an active allergy, maybe challenging the body. Now, when I get into amino acids, I see things like glutamatic acid, isoleucine, leucine. Those could be potential issues with muscle or nervous issue. There's a great website. It's aovitals.com, and if you come here, it's a complete key on how to go through and recognize what a lot of the different things are on this test. You can come to this website, come here to amino acids, and go down and find the amino acid that you see that is out of balance or that is challenged in the body, and see what the possible issue is that may be affecting the body. So you can come here and see it. A lot of this information has been pulled from the CDC and a lot of other websites. So this is a great key as you're going through the vitals report. If you have any questions, you aren't quite sure what that thing is, to be able to resource for a quick answer. So that is the vital scan. Now, the information that you see in this vital scan is kind of crucial. You definitely want to take some notes as you're going through it if you're going to be doing any therapies on that patient, because the information that you see in here may be information that you want to carry over into the therapies that we're going to do in the comprehensive, and we'll get into that in the next video.